Now, an important part of the data management is selection variable. Selecting variables and pipe operator. So in our data set, for example, there are many variables. Although in this data set, the number of variable is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only. But in your data set, in a real data set, generally there are many variables. Among these variable, we select some necessary variables. For example, we will select only these three variables. How to select? So this is our original data set. So we will not modify this data set. We'll create a new data set. For example, dat underscore a my data. This is the new data set. So if we run and we got a new data set, new data set. From here, we'll select only three variables. For example, then this is one code. So if we would like to link another code, then we have to type this symbol. If we type this symbol, then the next code will be linked. Now select. Select. Our first variable is SID. Second variable is disease. And third variable is smoker. Smoking. So if we select now, only three variables. So using this procedure, we can select our necessary variables. Additionally, sometimes we drop the variable. For example, in this data set, this is the unnecessary variable. So we will drop this variable. How to drop? Very easy. Dat a my data, then pipe, this is called pipe, select minus that variable. If you type minus, then this variable will be dropped. So if we run this, yeah. So now from here, the variable rename remark was not available. If we would like to drop this variable and this variable, how to drop? Very easy. Just comma by minus, then comma minus motor. So if we run, then these three variables will be dropped. Please click here. We can check. Yeah. Bike, remarks, and motor, the three variables are dropped. So using this procedure, we can keep some variable or we can drop some variables.